how to fix not posted yet try again problem on your Instagram app. So hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing you want to do is make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram. If you don't have it, then you must update it on the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Go back and open the settings and open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find the Instagram app or just search for it in the search bar. After that, click on this option to stop the app from running and then go to the notifications management. Make sure to enable all the notifications. Go back, click on the permissions. Make sure also to enable all the permissions, especially the storage permission. Go back, click on the data usage. Make sure also that all those options are enabled. Go back, and last thing you want to do, click on the storage. Click on this clear data, and this will clear all the app data. This includes files, settings, accounts, databases, and click delete. And then click on clear cache. Go back, and the last thing or the last step that you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.